part of China's economic boom, is the attraction for many returning Chinese professionals. Johnny left a logistics job in Australia in 2010 to start a new chapter of his career. Now he works in fashion.
There's some room for my own way of structuring the business, structuring the team. Obviously, the company is moving fast, is heading to IPO, and I would be thrilled to have this opportunity to be part of it.
But for professional managers like Johnny, the job's getting tougher as Chinese growth moderates.
In a stabilized economy, you really want people professional manager who really understand the operations, understand the business, to manage it. I think China lacks a significant amount of people who can do that.
It's a competition among both employers and candidates. 75% major employers in China are currently hiring at a senior level, up from the first quarter of this year. But 28% of them are letting senior managers go, 4% higher than the average in Asia. To get the right person, companies are offering attractive packages, especially as the cost of living escalates. Working and living in China, is this still affordable? Well, for weekday lunches, it seems okay. Like this typical combo of sandwich and coffee, around $10 US, almost in line with New York and London. But if you include rents for high-end apartment, transport, entertainment, and all the other expenses, living in Shanghai or Beijing is much pricier. In a private ranking of living costs, Hong Kong and Shanghai are the most expensive cities in China. Beijing is also high on the list. All are in front of New York and London. No wonder companies are throwing out the big bucks. But even that sometimes cannot fill roles because quality senior talents is so scarce.
Organizations realize that, and they work in really focusing on internal development first. So try to move people quickly to make them equip the skills and the capabilities they require.
In the meantime, many Chinese companies are seeking independent management advisors in their climb up the value ladder.
If you buy into the concept that having a chair is good and that a chair provides independent oversight, yeah, and I think eventually you want to split the roles between chair and CEO. China is actually looking to build up its separate boards, and then of course that's a good time to do that.
As employers become more flexible about hiring executives, managers are broadening their skills base to become more employable. Johnny's move to the fashion industry allows him a strong say in the company's growth, and that is what the China dream is all about. Xia Teng, CCTV, Beijing.